I'm Jim Rush with Trenchless Technology Magazine. I'm here at the 2009 International NOTIG Show in Toronto. I'm here with Trent Ralston. All 13 past chairmen of NASTT are here, and we're reminiscing with some of them. Trent was the 6th chairman of NASTT. Trent, can you tell us a little bit about the society at that time and some of the challenges that the society faced?
Well, we, in my particular juncture, we're in a transition period of changing from a management firm for our directorship of the executive director. And so it was a little bit fluid at that time, making those transitions. It started in my predecessor's time and then continued on throughout my tenure. NASTT was battling some economic, financial issues at that time. Membership was somewhat fluid, not necessarily growing and not going down, but not meeting the objectives that we are reflected in our mission statement. I think one of the things that occurred there again, it's more than just myself, but across the little broader horizon, but is improvement of the papers, tighter peer review, various tracks to better fit the various disciplines, and
how would you characterize the society at that time? I mean, it had been developed maybe 8 years before that, so it wasn't exactly new, but at the same time, it was still a growing industry in North America.
Well, that's true, and Trenchless still, as it continues today, was evolving, perhaps at a faster pace with more products and equipment. So the trajectory was upwards with developmental and new products, which is excuse me, I guess.
Okay. As far as the society at that time, what were some of the issues that you were really trying to promote through the society? Because it was still sort of a startup industry at that time.
Well, in conjunction with the NASTT's mission statement, which is one of educational and getting the message out of the value of trenchless technology, environmentally, socially, was the direction we were going, and continue to go. And at that time, there were issues with directional drilling, that some of the governmental authorities were concerned about, and NASTT assisted in some of those ways of some seminars for worker training, and then initiated shortly thereafter, in conjunction with other segments of the industry, other organizations across the various associations for a good practices guideline for drilling. So it's that type of thing that was started in that direction, and the same way with improvement in growth of student chapters, regional chapters, to there again better distribute the wealth of knowledge contained in NASTT, and the origination a lot of times is things that occurred in Europe or elsewhere in the world, so through ISTT as well. And it was a melding of working relationships between engineering disciplines, academic, and contractors, manufacturers, governmental, probably leaving somebody out, and I certainly don't intend to. But the industry has quite a matrix of multiple disciplines, and this serves as a common ground to put forth the merits of trenchless technology. And there are other agencies and organizations and associations in the industry that do similar things. We're one of them, and try to continue to be, proponent of the industry.
What kind of impact have you seen the society having on the industry over the length of its existence? Have you any concrete changes you've seen as a result of some of the things that the members have done?
Well, I think there again, with the combination of kind of all the above, the membership of this and other associations, but specifically this one, is more owner specifier awareness, design awareness, and certainly application, and we've seen the development of in the last 10 to 20 years, just from kind of minimal trenchless technology to the growth of many different things: pipe bursting, directional drilling. I hate to mention it because I always leave out somebody, but just the growth and then the sophistication, the further development and enhancement of different trenching or non-trenching or limited things, and same thing in the rehabilitation side of robotics, grouting, point repairs, and just the whole litany of it's just a big toolkit with a lot of tools in it that have developed and grown and continues to grow. As I understand it, in today's venue here in Toronto, there are several organizations that are introducing new improvements or just plain new technology in some of their products. So I think that's a very healthy thing, and it's very exciting.
All right, well, appreciate your time, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Okay, thank you so much.